Today, we will be learning the maneuver of the reverse bay parking, a crucial skill to acquire to be able to pass your driving test and a crucial skill for life. Firstly, it is imperative to understand the importance of bay parking. By engaging in bay parking, we ensure that sufficient space is allotted for other vehicles and that our own vehicles are not randomly stationed. The initial step entails a gradual approach toward the designated parking bay, with the aim of positioning our vehicle parallel to the adjacent parked cars on the left-hand side. It is vital to leave an approximate distance of 1 meter between our car and the parked vehicles. Subsequently, we initiate the maneuver by employing appropriate signals. While cautiously advancing towards the bay, we must designate our chosen bay. For instance, assuming I opt for bay letter B, I will incrementally advance my vehicle, taking note of the lines, labeled as 0, 1, 2, and 3 in the accompanying diagram. Upon reaching line number 3, it is crucial to ensure that our reference point aligns with this line, which may be represented by our door handle or car mirror. Then we start the next process of reversing. It is essential to consistently monitor our blind spots, exercise vigilant observations, and maintain a slow pace, all whilst executing a full lock left turn of the steering wheel. During the process of reversing, it is of paramount importance to maintain a reduced speed, affording us sufficient time to react in the event of encountering any hazards. Upon aligning our vehicle with the last parked vehicle on either side, we must straighten the steering wheel and continue reversing. Once we have adequately reversed, it is essential to halt our vehicle when the bay lines are positioned beneath our mirrors. At this juncture, we should engage the handbrake and shift the car into park. Alternatively, for manual transmissions, shifting to neutral prior to engaging the handbrake is recommended. By following these steps diligently, we can confidently conclude that the reverse bay parking maneuver has been accomplished successfully.